Alright guys, so we were finally able to kind of reduce the amount of air that comes out of this tire all the time, because this air has so many holes in it. Not this air, this tire has so many holes in it where it leaks all the time, but we finally got one of those fixed up right there. We put that in the tire so it won't be leaking as bad as it used to anymore. So yeah, that's really all we've had for this weekend restoration update. Still trying to get the stuff for the dash. Can't really see it, but still trying to get stuff for the dash. So yep, not done much, just patched up that tire a little bit so it doesn't leak air. I mean, that is good though, so we don't have to fill it up with air all the time now. So